Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, bringing you better tools for digital artists, for note takers, and for creatives. Today, I'm going to share with you a little project I've been working on, and it's really just a fun little project, but something that you guys may or may not be interested in. So what I've been working on is making a sound keyboard, and so what that does is if I'm pressing different buttons, it's giving me audio feedback. And this is the 8-bit sound pack I've been working on. I don't have everything mapped yet, but gives you a good idea of basically how it sounds, and doesn't create any latency. It just gives you a chance to hear feedback for what you're doing. Now I have a couple different packs, and the second one I have is a 1960s typewriter. And if you're typing, and you're just inside of Notepad, and I don't have it set up really well. I'm just right in the early alpha stages, but just wanted to show you what I was working on. If this is something that you guys like or are interested in, let me know, because I'm planning on developing it further. For my specific enjoyment, I want to do a bunch of different sound packs, like forest sounds, so you have birds and twigs and leaves crunching and little animal sounds, and a rain one that has different drops of water sound, and fire ones with different crackling sounds and hisses and pops and that type of thing, and provide a bunch of different sound packs and a bunch of different types of keyboards. So I have that 1960s keyboard, and doing one with a mechanical keyboard sound, so you can use your soft, thin, light Surface Pro keyboard and have it sound like a big fat analog keyboard with a lot of key throw, and I like that type of thing. So anyway, that's it for this video. If this is something that you guys like, again, please subscribe and comment below, and also put ideas for different sound packs that you guys would want, because I can start compiling those WAV files. All right, that's it for this morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.